Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your Ingeniero Chuper. It's been a while guys, and I know you've been wondering why. I know you thought na I left my MG5 already and I'm done with my MG5. But to be honest guys, this review is the 4.5 years of my MG5. 4.5 years. Yes, you heard it right. And I believe that I owe this review to all my subscribers kasi hindi ako nakapagawa ng 4 years review. Bakit? Busy guys, busy sa life, and then busy sa pagiging engineer. So as you all know that my main line is being an engineer, and itong MG5 ko is just my way of giving you reviews about this car. For this time, I'm going to make this review short kasi we've been all about MG5 since day one. So ngayon, itong unit ko is 4.5 years, and ito, so far so good. I am enjoying it more now dahil sa mga upgrades. So number one, in terms of performance, walang nagbago sa performance niya for me because I've kept every 6 months na PMS, and the service center is keeping my unit in good shape. As you all know, for the past 4.5 years, I only went to MG Cebu for the preventive maintenance of my unit. Kasi nga, we have this 5 years warranty, so I want to keep that kasi we never know what might happen to our unit. Knowing the fact that this is MG and they say it's new in the market, though it's not already because it's been more than 5 years here in the Philippines, but still I want to enjoy that privilege or that benefit of the 5 years warranty. In fact, in my previous video, etong infotainment ko nagloko, di ba? I'm so happy about MG Cebu kasi finally my infotainment is subject for replacement. The MG Cebu staff, Sir Al, already notified me about the availability of the parts. It's already in Nakasa. I am just waiting for my PMS para yung pag-change nila ng infotainment ko, and my PMS will be 1 day lang. At least save yung time ko. Second thing about the MG5, the looks guys. So for the past 5 years, almost 5 years ng MG5 ko, there is no other MG5 or version ng MG5. So I am happy kasi up to date, my MG5 still looks the most or the updated MG5. So that's one thing I like about MG guys. Never silang nagagawa ng facelift or may konting changes sa hitsura ng unit. So in that case, my MG5 still looks brand new. Not to mention that I always keep it clean to make it look new. And also I am happy with the looks now that I have my new mugs, the 18-inch mugs. Though I am aware na voided na yung suspension warranty ko, but I am satisfied kasi nga in my previous video during my upgrade is tinanggap ko na that for the past 4 years I am enjoying the suspension. I decided to upgrade it 6 months ago and I did not regret it. Kasi so far I am enjoying it by just looking at it guys. And even the ride, the stance of the car has really improved. Ayan, the performance, the looks, yung space. I have a growing family now. We are going to become a 5-member family. My third baby is coming out in few weeks now. So I am happy because I am enjoying this spacious cabin ng MG5. And not to talk about other features of the car, rear camera, yung mga locking system niya. So far, yun nga, my unit still looks the most latest MG5. Ayan lang guys, the advice I can give you is to keep your unit well maintained, and as much as possible guys, I really encourage everybody, especially within 5 years pa yung unit nyo, have it maintained in the service center. para ma-keep nyo yung warranty and ma-enjoy nyo yung warranty just like me. Lahat ng mga sira pinalitan free. The issues na na-encounter ko, wala akong binayaran. I am happy na before ako mag-end sa 5 years warranty, mapapalitan itong infotainment ko, which gives me a peace of mind na it can go another 4 years. So I am looking forward na I will enjoy this car for the next 3 to 5 years more. I know that many of you nabudol sa mga videos ko and bought the MG5. Until now guys, I would like to let you know that every video, every review of this MG5 is not a paid video. I only make reviews based on my experience. The MG Philippines have not given me special treatments, but this is just an honest review about my unit. And I am sorry to hear other MG5 owners around the nation or around Philippines na meron kayong mga bad experiences. To tell you honestly guys, it all boils down to the service center or the after sales service ng isang service center. For us here in Cebu, we are so blessed that MG Cebu under Genesis Motors is very good in after sales, and wala akong narinig dito na bad review about that service center. So I hope that all other service centers around Philippines will be like MG Cebu para ma-enjoy nyo yung unit ko as I do. So ayan guys, what I can say is until now 4.5 years of MG5 experience is very nice and very comfortable, and I am enjoying it with my family. So that's it. Thank you for watching. It's your Ingeniero Chopper. God bless, stay safe, drive safe.